We believe in a lot of sparkle in our home.
Everything's better with glitter.
Amen, sister. This is my daughter, Hattie. Hattie is 8 years old. Say hi.
Hi.
This is like Hattie time, you know, like hammer time, Hattie time, like do, 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 do. No, don't do it. Don't forget to come back here every Friday morning for new episodes of
Tori, tried and true.
Today we're making
Geodes.
what?
Ge-
Geodes. We're gonna get crafty with it. Can I do that? Nope. I love crafting. DIY is our jam. I always say that my kids came out of utero DIYing. I taught them all to DIY because I believe homemade equals love. And Stella and Hattie really took to crafting and making things. And I have to say, I'm not gonna embarrass you, but she really is artistic. She loves making things. She does the most incredible paintings, beautiful artwork, and she has a really great singing voice. Will you sing for us? So Hattie picked this really cool DIY making geodes. It's a rock formation that looks rough on the outside, like just a rock. And then when it's cut open, it has these amazing, beautiful crystals inside. We're gonna show you how to do actually 2 different versions, one that is completely kid-friendly and one that I will do with hot glue gun. We actually picked this because we were on Pinterest and we were trying to find things that she loves. She's completely into crystals right now. But crystals, like I try to get her ones here and there, but they can be really expensive. So we are always about, you know, how to make DIY on a budget. The rock becomes the crystal. You don't do that? You're creating a spiritual world around us. Whatever. So this is a cool way you can make geodes with bath salts. So what are they made of?
Rocks. Salt.
Paper, scissors. What? No. She's obsessed with scissors. Hattie has a scissor collection at home. I am not kidding. Little known facts about Hattie. Hattie and Stella were sharing a bedroom. And one night Stella was like, Mom, I'm scared to go to sleep because Hattie has scissors. And I was like, oh, don't worry. I found the scissors and I hid them. And no joke, this child, she was like 6, looked me in the eye and she goes, but you don't know where my secret stash is. Oh my God, I just realized by having your scissor collection, you have inherited the gene of hoarding, because that's what I am. I mean, I call it a collector. Some call it hoarding. My husband. It's the art of collecting. Comment below, what do your kids collect that you're like, okay.
I made squishies yesterday.
And then you hand painted all of them. She cuts them up with her scissor collection. I was kidding. What?
I do not cut them up.
I mean, the fact that you have that reaction tells me you probably are thinking about it.
At school, we have something where we sell stuff.
She's doing the entrepreneur
fair.
Thank you. She's doing the entrepreneur fair.
Entrepreneur.
So we're gonna start with, of course, chunky salt. The chunkier the better, because they're gonna be our crystals that we make. And then we just have some lids here, just from takeout containers. Lids they don't use anymore, you can put aside, and they make fabulous bowls for your DIYs. So we have non-acetone nail polish remover. And we're just gonna add this. We're gonna make multiple colors, and the way we're gonna color our salt is with nail polishes. So, that was too much. A lot of times you have nail polishes that you use once, you don't like the color, or you've used it so much and it kind of, it's just a little bit left in the bottle, it's getting a little like sticky and not conducive to use for your nails. Keep those because you can make crafts with them. We always believe in not throwing anything away. My husband will attest to that, thus our house. But you can use it for projects like this. We're gonna pick our colors. So what color crystals do you want to make? I know you love purple, but why don't you pick 3 here?
I want to pick this color, this one, this one.
Choose all the colors I wanted. I will go with a bright blue because when you mix the salt and the nail polish remover, it will make the color not as bright. So I'm gonna actually go with this, which seems vampy, but I bet it's gonna look good when we mix it.
No.
And then one more. What should I go with? That one? Okay. Oh, and one more. Okay, you wanna pour a little bit of nail polish
Into the nail polish remover. Now I'm gonna take a toothpick and swirl it around.
While we're mixing these, I'm just gonna add the salt. How much salt did we put?
You have to fill it all the way up.
Let's see, this is so cool. It's totally coloring it. As an alternative, you can use food coloring, but I think it's kind of cool to use your nail polishes because it's actually repurposing them. Because I know we all have nail polishes that we have bought and we have them laying around at home.
Keep filling it, Mom.
Keep it more? Okay. Oh, till all the liquid is gone. Okay, cool. So the more salt you add, the quicker it will absorb. Oh my God, these are already so pretty.
I'm adding more color so I can make mine darker.
Ooh, I love that color you're making. Just make sure with nail polish you have lots of ventilation inside the room you're using or do it outside. I'm gonna do heaping piles of salt in this one.
This purple is my favorite so far.
Purple's her favorite color. It's Hattie's color. Once these are all done, what's our next step?
We grab the rocks and then we put this on the area that we wanna glue the crystals on.
So I'm gonna use the hot glue gun to glue our sea salt crystals onto our rock surface to make geodes. And she's gonna use top coat as her glue.
I'm picking another color.
Which one are you doing now? Go for it, Mama.
I like to do my crafts with Stella
And me.
and my mom. Okay, Mom, now let's go to the next step.
We just went around the neighborhood and found rocks. You don't want perfect stones. You just want things that aren't perfect, imperfect, and have like nicks in them and concaves and things you can add your crystals to. So we have some. Hattie can't see which one you want to work with.
This.
We call her Hattie Cat. Oh, this one's good because you can add, it has an indentation, so you can add geodes. Okay, I mean crystals to that. So I'm gonna start and just glue here is my base. Typically geodes, you'll see the rock and then you'll see almost like clear surrounding it, and then the interior is almost like another little added layer of color. I'm gonna pick the color I wanna put inside. Which color do you want me to start with? That one? Okay. Glue some of that on the inside. And I'm actually gonna put some clear on the outside. Just regular salt, not colored. And then you can actually just keep adding layers.
I'm gonna use this top coat to glue on the salt. I'm gonna put salt on it now.
You can use your fingers too, no?
I don't know, it's still wet.
Oh my God, it's looking so good. Once that dries, you can do another layer of top coat and then apply your second layer of crystals. And look, you can do fun, like clear glitter polishes to add a little sparkle to them.
Using the nail polish is kind of like using paint.
So is this something you would sell at your entrepreneur fair?
100 times yes.
Yay!
I think I'm gonna paint over it with sparkles.
So a lot of times you will see geodes and crystals being sold, and the outsides, like around them, are dipped in gold. That's very on trend right now, and they make beautiful home decor pieces. So we are actually gonna do that, but our gold is DIY version. So we're gonna take paint, and once everything has dried, I'm gonna go ahead and take some metallic gold paint that we bought at our local craft store. So it looks like they have been dipped in gold, which is even more magical and will be beautiful. Now, you can use these to do anything from paperweights, bookends.
I'm gonna use mine for decoration.
So I'm gonna give you the gold paints. She is the artist in the family. So we have a little bit of loose glitter. You can also do a top coat and then a little bit of loose glitter. The top coat will add the shine, and the glitter, obviously, the sparkle. So I always say there is nothing in the world that can't be solved with a glue gun. And I have a correction of that. And glitter. I husband hates glitter because he says you can't get it out and it gets everywhere. But we believe in sparkle. So everything's just happier. A home with glitter. All right, babe. Man, it's looking so good. A family that crafts together stays together. True story?
Yes. Hers looks like a taco.
She said my geodes look like exploding tacos. So I think your geode looks like an exploding egg. But it's kind of cool. It's like this like spiritual egg that's like energetically breaking open, and then the crystals are like,
I think yours still looks like a taco.
I can't kiss you. I can still kiss you. Kiss your mom. Thank you. That's all I can get. I used to kiss your toes every day. No, I don't want to kiss them now.
Are you sure?
Nope. I don't know where those things have been. But these are amazing DIY crystal geodes that we made. They're beautiful decor. We didn't even have to go to the craft store because we basically had everything at home. We had bath salt, nail polish remover. We found rocks in the backyard, and we always have a little glitter around. So we added a little sparkle. A simple DIY to do, and don't forget to subscribe to Tori Tried and True and see more of this. More of us crafting.
Crafting.